This is an SEO for accountants case study. My name's Ben and I am the MD and co-founder of Targeted SEO. We specialise in SEO for accountants. So I'm just going to talk you through some of our results for a local accounting firm based in the UK. Now, this particular website, Guildford Accounting, they came to us. We actually met them at the Digital Accountancy Show in London. And Tanya, the business owner, was really struggling with her website at that time. It wasn't really representing her brand or generating any traffic or all-important inquiries. Using Wayback Machine, I'm just going to show you what the website looked like at the time. It was a custom CMS, so it's quite difficult to make changes in it. And a lot of the content was being reused across a lot of other websites as well. Unfortunately, we see this quite a lot in accounting in the industry, where blog content or people sign up to a service to get content onto their blog, but it's reused across other sites. So this never really indexes or performs. It looks good because you're getting fresh content, but it doesn't actually generate clicks from organic search. So what we did was designed and developed a new SEO optimized website for her. And we set about really creating a new site which really showcased her brand and helped to build trust with prospective clients. Every page was designed and developed with SEO at the forefront. And as part of the retained SEO service, we actually built a lot more pages. So we built all of the service pages, and all of this content was human written and optimized and published using best on-page practices. We also built a lot of pages around who the business actually served, and their target audience. We also worked on a local SEO campaign for the accounting firm, targeting the county and then the different cities that were in that county, which also worked very well. We also looked at different sectors. So many accounting firms like to target particular sectors. E-commerce is very popular, also very competitive. So we worked on that too. We also created a lot of fresh blog content, which was unique and not reused across other websites. It was unique to this particular website, and really to help build that topical authority and to internal link back to key pages within the website to help pass that topical authority. So over that time that Guildford Accounting were a client of Targeted SEO, we actually achieved quite a lot. I'm just going to show you how we created content as well. So we used a piece of software called Surfer, which is fantastic for creating optimized content. And it really helped us to get everything really well optimized in terms of hitting the right scores and the right keywords within that content. In terms of SEO results for this accounting firm, I'll jump over to Google Search Console, and you can see the growth back in 2024. And then the growth after that is quite substantial for a small accounting practice. This was really changing for their practice, and they generated inquiries, and it really helped them. Despite the amount of Google core updates that happened during this time, the website grew through those updates. Just going to show you SE ranking results as well, so we can see the keywords that the website is being found for has grown over that time. Before she was a client, just a flat line, and then you can see that growth, which is great to see. Lots of page one, position one results, which really helped the business get found. So if you're interested in SEO for accountants and you are a practice, then Targeted SEO, my agency, really specialises in this industry, and we've got a lot of success in SEO for accountants. So get in touch via our website, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.